In 2025, Rheem will commit to cutting our greenhouse gas footprint by 50%. Rheem will also commit to achieving zero waste and zero landfill impact from all of our global manufacturing operations. And finally, Rheem will commit to training more than 250,000 customers on sustainability best practices.
Rheem has very bold goals for 2025. The first goal is to achieve zero waste to landfill across their manufacturing facilities. And also the second goal is to have the carbon emissions across their manufacturing facilities by the year 2025. Which is why we had NG Insights working with us today with the zero waste audit to enable us identify these areas for improvement.
NG Insight is a sustainability company. I visit our clients' locations and I look at their waste processes. There are many materials that can be diverted from the landfill. That's where the zero waste comes in.
To me, sustainability is just a byproduct of being efficient. You have to be responsible in manufacturing. You have to be consistent and you have to be predictable. So we study our processes, we study our failure modes, and by studying those, we can put controls in place to know that we get the predicted outcomes. We know the direction, all we need is the support behind us and we can make it happen.